Okay, model railroad fans, this is Mark's Model Railroad Part 2. Haven't been around here in quite some time, just want to show you the progress because this railroad is going to be dismantled because of lack of funds, or we're going to move the railroad to a new location. So here's what I've done. Got quite a bit done here. Never really finished it, but this is what we got. But we're going to do it again, and we're going to make it better. Learned a little bit about how to do this landscaping stuff, and so that's what we got here. Yep, just a quick view here. I want to thank all you people that gave comments. I'd like to hear some more. Yeah, this is what I got. We're going to come back bigger and better though. I turned the lights out. A lot of the buildings are lit, but you probably won't be able to see too much. So yep, so this is what we got. We're gonna take all this apart. It kind of hurts, but that's okay. We're gonna come back stronger, and we're gonna move the railroad to another location. A lot of stuff to pack up here though, but just wanted to take one last video, and again, thanks everybody, and yeah, we're going to come back stronger. Okay, model railroad fans, thanks for now. Hope you enjoy this, and we're going to do it again. Alright, till I talk to you again. Thanks.